Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your shirt on the Snapseed application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed app on your device and you can tap on the open button or the plus icon to open up any image that you would like to edit. Once you have opened up your image, if you wish to change the color of your shirt, then you can do this by various different methods. Tap on Tools and then tap on Selective in order to add a point onto your shirt. Once your point has been added, you can also add multiple points using the plus icon. Now choose these points and you may modify the brightness in order to immediately begin affecting the color. You can also change around the contrast, the saturation, as well as the structure. By playing around with these options, you can change your shirt color. The other method is to first change the hue of your entire photo. Tap on Tools and then tap on Tune Image. From here you can change various other aspects such as saturation, the ambience, as well as warmth, which will drastically affect your color. After choosing your desired color, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Edit Stack button at the top and then tap on View Edits. Now once again tap on Tune Image and then tap on the brush icon. This will now revert your image before the point of your color change. Now make sure your tune image value is set to 100% or to a value that you would like to change your shirt color intensity to. Then you can just use the provided brush in order to paint over your clothing. Double tap to zoom in and make sure you carefully paint over just the shirt. Now while my method might not be perfect, this is just a rough demonstration. Once you outline your entire shirt region, you can tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. If you have accidentally painted over some other region, you can change the tune image value to 0 and then use the brush to remove the red highlight from these regions. After painting over the shirt carefully, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now your color for your shirt will be changed right away. You can now go back and export your image. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of your shirt on the Snapseed application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.